Hi there, I'm Dan Kniff with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a LeBlanc servo shift lathe for you here today. It's a 1554 lathe. It's got taper attachment, hardened bed tool steel ways. Comes with a 3 and 4 jaw chuck, steady rest. It's got a travel stop. Run the machine here for you. It's got an electric brake clutch on it. So 234 RPM will be. Cross feed. This will be a saddle feed. We've got 436. RPM. $625. It's a good running machine. Have any questions, give us a call.